Okay, children, now we are going to see about the third standard English, page number 112. In that we didn't write the listen, think and write. That is answer the following question answer. Okay, so I have given the page number also. We will write the question answer now. Already I have taken this lesson. We have finished everything. Only the question answer is the balance. Why did no one play with Charu? Why did no one play with Charu? Why did no one play with Charu? No one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud. Answer is no one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud hanging over her head. Okay, so this is the answer. And second one, name the things in the trash cloud. Name the things in the trash cloud. What are the things in the trash cloud? Answer is the cloud, the trash cloud had orange peels and biscuit packets, broken toys, and pencil shavings, twisted plastic bottles, and colorful plastic bags. Okay, the third question is, what did Charu Sama tell her? What did Charu Sama tell her? Answer is Charu Sama told her not to litter. Then fourth one, how did Charu's cloud become smaller? How did Charu's cloud become smaller? One's answer is once stopped littering. The cloud become smaller. Then fifth one, what will you do to keep? What will you do to keep places around you clean? Answer is I will put waste in the dustbin. I will not throw it away. Okay. So these are the 5 question answers. Okay, children. Okay. Why did no one play with Charu? No one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud hanging over her head. Name the things in the trash cloud. The trash cloud had orange peels and biscuit packets, broken toys, and pencil shavings, twisted plastic bottles, and colorful plastic bags. What did Charu's Amma tell her? Charu's Amma told her not to litter. How did Charu's cloud become smaller? Once stop littering, the clouds become smaller. What will you do to keep places around you clean? I will put waste in the dustbin. I will not throw it away. So these are the question answers we have to complete this, children. And then this exercise and all we have finished already. And now we'll move on to the next one is page number, that is page number 122. The next one is so all these question answers you have to copy down in your big picture they are given. Big picture, page number 122. Okay. Why does he wear helmet? Why does he wear helmet? Answer is he wears helmet he wears the first question is here, so I have written already. He wears the helmet to be safe. So already in the answer kuduthirukanga. Now second one, why does he need the stool? Why does he need the stool? Answer is dasvanda he needs the stool to take the book from the shelf. Okay, then third one. Why does he run fast? Why does he run fast? Answer is he runs fast to catch the bus. Then fourth one, why does he put waste in the dustbin? Waste in the dustbin. Why does he put? He puts waste in the dustbin. To keep the surroundings clean. Then fifth one. Why does he wear the sweater? Why does he wear the sweater? Answer is he wears sweater. He wears the sweater to keep himself warm. So this is from the picture. They are asking the question and we have to write the answer. Why does the pot leak? Why does the pot leak? Answer is the pot leaks because it had a hole in it. Okay, then seventh one. Why does he have the umbrella? Why does he have the umbrella? Answer is he had the umbrella. We have the umbrella because it rains. Because it is raining. We had. Okay. So this is the question answer we have to complete for the big picture. And so far we have finished everything for you children in the third standard. Okay, and then Thrash of Cloud, everything, and the poem is at the gross breezy beach. This poem also, I have taught you the 8 lines, breezy wind in the morning. So you learn the poem, breezy beach. So this is the memory poem for the third term. So learn this, what from memory? Breezy beach, page number 108. Already I have written this in your classwork also. So breezy wind in the morning, clouds, dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. Once again I am telling, breezy wind in the morning, dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining, Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue, the waves come running to you. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with the shells in his hand. He builds a castle on the sand and decorates it with a shell in his hand. So these are 8 lines from the poem you have to learn. And you have finished up to this. I can do everything you have finished till the last page. So what all we have studied and what all we have learned, you have to grammar, everything children that from the third term, you will be having this. So big picture from lesson number 2, unit 2 lesson. So all the things you have to write. So all the question answers, exercises and grammar exercises, go through this and learn the poem meanings also. Lesson meanings is there. I get opposite tenses and plurals, everything. And the grammar is what time is it now, and join the sentences. Strike the common words and join the sentences with and. So everything you are having it in your book. And learn this and practice, and I can do ellame edhu poturukken. So learn this, and grammar is that Little Doctor poem is also there with annotations. So you recite the poem, The Little Doctor. That is from the unit 2, I think so. Tools, the breezy, the Little Doctor as well as the Okay, the little doctor and the breezy wind. The little doctor. This is also the memory poem. So page number 88. So this is the quote from memory. So learn fully this 8 lines, and that poem is also the 8 lines. Okay, children. So up to this you can learn for the exam. Okay, thank you, children.